Hello, I've got some fantastic news to share with you. I've been working for a long time putting an online glass painting course together, and it's brilliant to let you know that it's ready. It's actually ready and it's going live today. I've been sending out emails to lots of people who've expressed interest in it. You've signed up at DerekHuntArtist.com for more information. That information's coming to you, but there's also a link at the end of this video where you can go directly to my brand new website and you can find out all the information about this new course. What is the course? Well, it's a video online course. It's basically very similar to the in-person course that I do when people come to my studio and they learn glass painting. A lot of artists maybe have worked with glass painting before and they just want a refresher. For a long time, I was full of anxiety about my glass painting. You know, I felt like I was reinventing the wheel. I was like feeling my way forward in the dark. And the number one thing that I discovered, the one thing that really helped me was to find a mentor, to find somebody that I knew I trusted, who'd been through the process, and ask them for information. Asking the right person, finding the right mentor was the way forward for me. And so I really want to be able to pass on my skills and the things that I've learned to that next generation. So if you're a glass artist, if you have any doubts and fears and anxieties about painting, or maybe you've not done painting before, this course is really set up for you. It's an online course with a series of video demonstrations. They're really kind of relatively short, bite-sized chunks, so you're not having to sit and take notes and kind of remember lots of things all at once. They're in manageable sections. It also comes with downloadable notes, PDFs, lessons, examples, sort of test pieces that we work with together. So I will do a demonstration, you download the artwork and you do the demonstration work as well. There are comments at the end of each lesson. So if you have any kind of things that you're struggling with, put them in the comments. I'll answer those comments. I answer them in real time. This course is designed really to not just be give you a course and then leave you. It's actually an ongoing support. So what does that ongoing support look like? I'm going to give you a broad range of techniques that you're going to be able to use. That's really like a great foundation. So it might be a refresher course for some of you, but it might be brand new information for a lot of you. You're going to need to buy a few items or get a few items together in order to do the course. There'll be information on my website giving you what you need in order to do the course. It's really for those people who are serious about learning glass painting. If it's something that you really want to do, you're going to invest in yourself. You're going to invest in your own time by buying, a few key pieces of equipment that you're going to need to get started. So if you're curious, if you really want to know a little bit more, go onto my website, DerekHuntArtist.com. There'll be links at the end of this video as well to take you to that website. It'll give you much more information. If you still need more information before you decide to press that button, just email me, just talk to me, and I'll gladly answer those questions. This course is designed for you, my fellow creatives, so I really hope you enjoy it. Let me know how you get on in the comments. Give me feedback, because really this is the first online course that I've put together, and I'm really excited to get your feedback on it as well, because at the end of the day, it's designed for you. It's designed to help you in your own creative journey. So have a look at the website and let me know how you get on. Hope to see you soon on the course. Bye for now.